Hi guys, welcome back to STYFLY Malaysia. Thank you for all the support.
Kuala Lumpur, called simply KL by locals, is the federal capital and the largest city in Malaysia. Kuala Lumpur has grown from a small, sleepy Chinese tin mining village to a bustling metropolis of 7 million in just 150 years. A cultural melting pot with some of the world's cheapest 5-star hotels, great shopping, even better food and some of nature's wonder in just an hour away. This dynamic city has much to offer for every visitors.
We witness a few taller skyscrapers in the world. One of them is the Petronas Tower, also known as Petronas Twin Towers. The Petronas Twin Towers remain the tallest twin towers in the world. Today, Merdeka 118 is a 118-story, 644-meter, a mega-tall skyscraper currently under construction in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It is the tallest building under construction as of January 2021. Upon completion, the structure will become the tallest building in Malaysia and Southeast Asia and the second tallest building in the world. Merdeka 118. Merdeka 118 start in 2014 and estimated completion in 2022. The cost to build up these towers is about 3.5 billion ringgit. The owner is PNB Merdeka Ventures Sdn Bhd, and the main contractor is Samsung CNT UEM Groups.